Use Telegram without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can use Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically use Telegram without phone number, if you open up the Telegram app, right off the bat, the very first thing it asks me is to simply enter my phone number. So as you can see, there is no option to sign up with email or other options. The only option you need to have is a phone number. So can you create a Telegram account without phone number? Well, unfortunately, no. But what you can do is, if you're underage for some reason and your country has not provided you a SIM card, which means you don't have a real phone number, you can still use Telegram using a virtual phone number. And there are plenty of sites that are completely legal. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. Depending upon what you like, you can simply select a site of your choice, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then download them, and then you'll be able to get also the verification code and then actually use that particular number to use Telegram. This way you can use Telegram without phone number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.